Today is a special day. I just reached my 100th subscriber today, and I'm making this video to thank all our subscribers for subscribing and supporting this channel, Amazing Kitchen. So I don't know what to say. I mean, I never thought I'll reach 100 subscribers so quickly, but thank you very much for all the support and help. Thank you for sharing the videos with others that also contribute to this channel. What else to say? I mean, thank you for all the comments, all the suggestions, any tips that you have given me to help me get to 100 subscribers today. I know it's not a lot yet, but to me, it's a milestone. I mean, when I first started this channel, I never thought I'd reach 100 subscribers so quickly. And without your support, today, it won't hit 100 so soon. But I like to thank everyone for all the support. Again, on this channel, thanking you for liking all my recipes and all the suggestions you have for my recipes. Yeah, I mean, this is exciting for me. So thank you very much. I mean, I hope I will be making another one like this when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So continue to share with anyone that love food, love the passion for food, just like myself and yourself. And help me get to 1,000 subscribers, and then I'll make another video just like this. So today, the video will be short and simple. I don't know what else to say. I'm very grateful for all the support that you've given me, and I will continue to make more videos on foods that you may like, and I'll show you more of what I know in the kitchen. So here's a toast to all of our subscribers, and we'll have more in the future. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye now.